All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol SRNE. And before I jump into this chart, I do want to state some things. And the first thing is welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. Hope you guys find this video helpful and informative, and it means you well. To all my subscribers, I want to say thank you for your support and also giving me feedback, piggybacking off of what I state, and just sharing information that you know with other investors when they have questions. So I really, really appreciate that. I want to move the resistance level and the support to their new locations because support was broken through significantly, and this is in bearish territory, deep bearish territory. Now the bears are in control. What are the bulls going to do to go ahead and recover this one? I know I stated in the last video that when a ticker symbol, right, is quieting off and leveling off like this, if it was all drops of red and no bulls, I would have solid and boldly said this is going to rise. I was stating to you guys to possibly could happen, but since there was a little bit of bulls, I wasn't going to completely put myself out there saying that it will, or I wasn't confirming it because I don't predict stocks, but the way it was looking and it was leveling off, there could have been a chance if the bulls used this slight pickup as momentum to continue. But they tried doing that early in the day and the bears tore them down even harder. I did state that if this broke through support, the bears were going to be in full control. If this was all red and the bulls didn't appear at all, there could have been a breakthrough in the upward directions because it could show that the bears were exhausted. Now, the bulls didn't really use that to their advantage because this was the slight momentum and they barely had a chance. They brought it up from 1013 to a high of like 1026, and from there on out, the bears tore them apart. So let's zoom in to what's important for us to see tomorrow. The support level here is 772. And if that gets broken through, since it closed at a price of 815, if 772 gets broken through, the the bears are definitely dominating this one and taking over this stock. They are bringing this to newer lows and dominating, bringing this to lower levels and further away from the 50-day moving average. So if this 772 support gets broken through by the bears are able to bring this down to newer lows and lower support levels. I keep a very close eye on it, and also keep in mind that the bulls can take advantage of the price if the support is broken through to bring it back up and possibly even significantly in a very sharp V or U-shaped momentum to bring this back up to newer highs and work its way closer to the 50-day moving average. Now, the 50-day moving average is 961. I'd write that down. That is so important for us right now as investors to know, because this is what lets us know if it's in bullish territory or bearish territory. And right now it's below 961. And if it is, we are in bearish territory. So if this support gets broken through, the bears are pulling it further away. So that's something to keep in mind. On the other spectrum, for the bulls to start to work their way back up, they're going to want to break through 831. That is the resistance level that needs to be turned into a support so that this continue to work its way up to newer highs and work its way back up to the support that they want to create up here. And that is the 50-day moving average. Once this gets crossed, they want to turn this into a support level to break themselves up to newer highs and newer resistance levels. But before getting there and turning other support levels, by breaking through those resistance levels, they're gonna want to break through 831, break through it, use it as support, and start to work their way up to newer highs. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. If you guys did, don't just click on the subscribe button, but also click on the bell so that you guys can get notified on my daily videos. Share this with your friends and community. Hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. And thank you guys so much, and let's make some money.